From Greedy Tech, and this is the unboxing of Vivo V7 Plus. This phone is sold offline and online in multiple stores at 22,000 rupees in two colors, black and gold. I have the gold color with me now. I have already opened the package, so let's go down with it. At the top we have the phone. Let's come back to it later. Next we have the SIM card ejector. Inside this box we have a soft silicone case and some documentation. Below that we have a micro USB charging cable, a power adapter, and finally, earphones with an inline mic. Now let's look at the phone. So this is how the phone looks. Now let's start with the physical overview and check out the specs. Unlike many other phones in its price segment or the previous Vivo phones, this phone has a plastic build with a metal finish. It even has shiny fake antenna bands. On the front, it has a 5.99-inch full vision display with 18:9 aspect ratio with 1440 by 720p resolution. It's more like a HD plus resolution. It's protected by a 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it also comes with a tempered glass pre-applied. Above the display we have sensors, a 24 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, a dedicated torch, earpiece and a LED notification light. Below the display it's completely plain. In case you're wondering, it comes with on-screen buttons. At the top it has just the microphone. At the bottom it has an audio jack, microphone, micro USB charging port and a speaker grill. On the left, it has just the SIM card tray that can house a SD card and 2 nano SIMs all at once. On the right, it has a power and volume buttons. On the back, it has a 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, a single LED flash, followed by the fingerprint scanner and Vivo logo. Under the hood, it sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Out of the box you get 52GB of free space and around 2GB of free RAM. It is running a heavily skinned version of Android called FunTouch OS based on Android 7.1.2 with our security patch. Now all this is powered by a 3200 mAh battery. There is no fast charging, it comes with a regular 10 watts power adapter and it should take around 2 hours to charge the phone completely. It has all the essential sensors including compass, gyroscope, LED notification light, FM radio and a fingerprint scanner. This is how the camera UI looks. Like with all the Vivo phones, rear camera is just average and front camera looks good. I'll post a separate camera review, so stay tuned for that. It even comes with a dedicated audio chip for hi-fi music to improve the audio experience on headset and speaker. Now coming to my initial impressions, though it has a huge 6-inch display, it fits comfortably in the hand. It even feels light for its size. By the way, it weighs 160 grams. Buttons are made of metal, they are properly elevated and have a good tactile feel to them. Fingerprint scanner is super fast, but I found myself hunting for it many times. Even the speaker is loud. Even though this display comes with just HD plus resolution, it's decent for normal tasks like calls, messages and browsing. But unlike me, if you have laser sharp eyes, you can easily see the pixels. This phone has an entry-level processor. It's not powerful, but it is built using the 14nm process, so it is power efficient and won't have any heating issues. So that's a good thing. From my initial usage, everything was super responsive and snappy. It is not stock Android, but it felt that good. Maybe because I didn't install any apps on it. As of now, the things that I don't like about this phone are the resolution, low spec CPU, and even though we are on Nougat, we still can't use split screen mode for all the apps. That's something I really hate. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be posting the complete review and some more videos on this phone in few days. So stay tuned for that, and if you wish to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it helps the channel. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.